All right, hello everybody. So today we're gonna make some salsa. We got all the ingredients, all what you need. See, some jalapenos, some lime, some oil, some cilantro, tomato, jalapenos, garlic, habanero, tomatillos, some red onion, foil, pepper, chicken, and garlic powder, cilantro. And how we're gonna do it after, we're gonna put it up and then molcajete. But first, let's go and do the little thing that we do first to make a little bit of a texture. We kind of burn them a little bit. We wrap them up in some foil and we put a little bit of oil, and then we're gonna put it in the comal, let it get burned a little bit, get that little nice black crust in the bottom, get the flavor, get everything nice and soft, and then we're gonna move on to our salsa. Let me get that ready for you guys. Next step, get everything in the foil. Put everything, garlic, everything. Put everything inside, but before you close it, put some oil, put it in there, and close the bowl back up. Alright? Alright. So, just in case you guys didn't see all the vegetables and everything, we just put them in there, close them up. Put them in there. Put them in the comal. Let's go. Let these bad boys get done, just in case this is what I didn't put. And we'll get to that step right now, no Pete. Ciao! So, just in the comments, let me know where you guys from. This is Salsa, Mexicana. Shout outs, I don't know if she wants her name up and being here, but somebody showed me back where I used to work. And from my casa to your casa, going straight through. Everything that I didn't put, so that we'll put in the steps right now. Close them up, put everything in the comal. Full blast, let it slow down. It's about half, a little more than half. We'll just let it go, let it chill. Alright, we're gonna get it burned, and this is just for the crust, and all the bottom can get nice and crusty and black, and actually get a texture on your salsa. The point of putting it in foil is so it can get texture. Some of them are gonna get burnt. All the bottom ones are probably gonna get burnt because of the oil and the high flame. And that's what we want. We want some burntness. We want some texture in our salsa, and not just to be all just steamed out or everything out like that. So this is gonna add character, flavor, and goodness. So it's been like 14 minutes. Let's check this. We need everything to be soft. So it's usually like 15 to 20 minutes. I can smell burntness, but that's what the flavor that we want. This goes out. So there's a little burnt like that. Just a little bit of burntness. Kind of flavor on it. Not so much. See that juice? Saltiness. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, next step is put everything in the molcajete. Start crushing it up. Let's get this over here. Everything, juices and everything. See that color? See that flavor? Don't let none of that go to waste. So that is good flavor. I even get the burnt pieces just because I like that texture. Texture and character. So now we get this. Let's go. And then this, you just start from one end. If you don't have a molcajete, you can also do it in a blender. Just don't blend it on so high like you're trying to make soup, but also come out all soupy and ugly. You kind of want to put it in the pause and go, and one in the lowest settings. The whole point is the blender not to go so fast, doesn't get so hot, and doesn't make your sauce so all nasty looking. I don't even know how to explain it, but if you've seen it, you know what it is. We're just gonna start scraping away. Next step, we're gonna add the cilantro. after I wasted all my right hand, damn it, and the jalapenos, is only a little bit of vinegar. A little bit. Just for the vinegar, freaking it can last longer, gives it a little zest. That's why I also use the lemon. Just to add a little zest to it. And of course, pepper. Pepper. Chicken bouillon, at least a little bit. You can't go too much, also be too salty. So just go really light. If you think that's too much, don't look at it right now. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. Some garlic powder. Excuse the bag. I ran out. So I had to just go get some. I love garlic. So excuse the excess. Take it off if you don't want it. We're just gonna chop a little bit more. We'll come back with the rest. Well, everyone, that's our end piece. It's delicious. Give it a try. There's also a good hack with this with some cream cheese. You get some cream cheese and you open it up. Put in the plate, you just grab a bunch of this and put it on top. It's good for inside gas. Good in watching football. You just put some chips. People just snack out of them. Ritz. Whatever you want. Really good. Maybe next time I'll make another video of that. But this is real Mexican authentic salsa. From my house to yours. I hope you like. Try it. Please do subscribe. Never mind. Do whatever you want. Peace, love, peace out.